Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 4:36 a.m. All right, turning on the master bedroom lamp.
Good morning, buddy. Hi. Welcome to another vlog. हो रहा है धीरे 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 स्केड्यूल धीरे धीरे ट्रैक पे आ रहा है 6:02 सन इज अबाउट टू राइज आज दिन बहुत बिजी है 7 बजे से मेरी मीटिंग स्टार्ट हो रही है तो फिर मैंने बोला कि भाई 6 बजे जाते हैं रन ख़त्म करते हैं 6:30 बजे तक और फिर काम पे लगते हैं आई लव द सनराइज इट्स द बेस्ट फीलिंग टू सी द सनराइज ट्रस्ट मी एंड सनसेट एज वेल बट सनराइज इज द बेस्ट व्लॉग अच्छे लग रहे हैं ना अगर व्लॉग अच्छे नहीं लग रहे तो बताना कमेंट में कि भाई क्या अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है और कुछ नए आइडिया है तो वो भी बताना अपन करेंगे सब It's 6:45 in the morning. I have my first work meeting at 7. I have to get ready, make black coffee, take shower, do all of this. And then 10:30 बजे I have to go to bank because bank के बारे में You guys ready? I'm just doing my first meeting. Just want to say hi. You guys are on the vlog. Say hi. They are not used to the vlog, so that's why they are not saying hi. You saw my yesterday's vlog. उसमें दिखाया था मैंने कि lightning हुई थी and because of lightning there's fire.
Looked like last night when the fire started getting off. Winds were blowing from the north and pushing the fires.
Yeah, so that's a fire. I'll show you outside. The cloud is super yellow. I don't know if you can see it. You can see all the smoke. This is all smoke. You can see all the ashes. You see all this? Look at this. This is the ash. It's not the dust. Exactly 2 years ago when we were getting married, something like this has happened. They're saying we are fine right now, but we might have to evacuate, meaning we have to get all the important stuff ready and put it in a suitcase if we need to go out of the city. I really hope that doesn't happen, but you gotta be prepared.
It's so crazy. It reminds me so much of the campfire.
Right, like just 2 years ago.
Even the smell.
Yeah, the smell, the ashes all around. I mean, look at the sky. It's like black.
Can you maybe show them the contrast from like over here to here?
Yeah, so this is blue sky and then this is all the black. Look at that. I mean, maybe it's time for us to start thinking about moving back. Maybe we can buy that Florida house.
Yeah, but then we'd have to worry about hurricanes.
Yeah, but that house was hurricane proof.
Oh.
I don't know if you've seen that, but I was almost going to buy the Florida house. Fire is like roughly about 30-50 miles away from us, so it's not that bad, but it's scary. It can grow if the firefighters can't control it. It is 10:30 right now, going live on Instagram. Hopefully you join me. What's up everyone? Welcome to another live session. Alright, here you go. So just say hi to vlog.
Hi Yudi, my name is Gauri and I'm from Pune, India.
Hi Yudi, I'm Chetan. And it's in the budget, so do you think it's good?
Hi Yudi, I'm Harsh Kukreja from Ulasnagar, if someone knows India, Mumbai.
It was a great live session. Now I have to go to bank, but before that I have to take shower. मिलते हैं. Okay, बजे है 5. देखो कितने बजे 5:12. I thought I will take shower and then I'll go to bank. I will get my check deposited. Refinancing के डॉक्यूमेंट भी करने थे. Refinance के बारे में ये वीडियो बनाने वाला था, but ये प्रोडक्ट मीटिंग हुई, उसके बाद क्लाइंट मीटिंग हुई, फिर इमरजेंसी बिल्ड मीटिंग हो गई, फिर डेवऑप्स के साथ मीटिंग हुई. इतनी मीटिंग थी आज, काम में बहुत बिजी हो गया. फिर व्लॉग भी एडिट करना है मेरे को. अभी कल का व्लॉग अभी भी एडिट करना बाकी है, तो मैं बोला कि एक काम करता हूँ, जो कल वाला व्लॉग अगर देखा होगा तो उसमें मैंने ब्रूनो का जो पार्ट था वो मैंने आधे में काट दिया था, वही आधा वाला पार्ट ये वाले ब्लॉग, तो वो आप एंजॉय करो. और मेरे को काफी लोगों ने बोला कि भाई तू ड्रोन शॉट का क्या हुआ, तू चर्च गया था उसके तो शॉट्स डाल. तो ये लो, ड्रोन शॉट से स्टार्ट करते, फिर ब्रूनो पे जाते, फिर वीडियो एंड करते. here. Sit, Bruno. Bruno, what do we do? Sit. Good boy. Hey, stay. Okay, ready? Okay, so the company is called BarkBox. It's a subscription where they send you toys and dog treats and fun stuff for dog. So that's why he's getting very excited because he knows there's something in it. This is not a sponsored video by BarkBox, but BarkBox, if you're watching it, I would love to get it sponsored. Every BarkBox comes with a theme. This time it's a fairground theme. मतलब मेला जो लगता है ना मेला इंडिया में उसका जो theme है वो है. Here it is. This is how he reacts. Okay, ready? Let's see what he goes for first.
Treat me.
No, he goes for a
Ooh.
toy.
What is it, Bruno?
Wow, he goes for a toy. Okay, so you can.
Show to the camera.
Wow.
Show it to me.
It's like a tug toy.
Oh.
So we can play tug toy with him, and it's like a squishy, nice feeling. Very nice. Here you go. Go have it. Go get it. And then this one is, I don't know which character
It's
it
like
is.
a goat, I think.
It's like a goat. Anyway, it's another toy, squishy, nice. This is the first thing he went for. You can also see there's other things in it. There is a salmon stick. Then there is something called Thinker's Real Stick. There's two sticks, different types of stick.
We love this stick.
You love the stick, I know. Sit. Stay. I have to talk to camera, okay? So you gotta stay. Stay. And then there are two treats. One is ribbon. This is a chicken treat, and then this one is duck recipe treat. 2 treats for training.
The tickets come out of it. That's so cute. Oh, and it's like the goat, because goats eat everything. He's eating the tickets. That's funny.
We've been teaching him a new trick, which is I think couple of new tricks. So I'm gonna see if he does it right now. Let's do the simple one, which is spin. Bruno, spin. Sit. Good boy. Okay, come here. Okay, walk with me. Good boy. So that's the trick which I'm working on. Eventually, when I do it in enough time, then I can just spread my leg and he'll right there and he'll be waiting for me to walk. Bruno, come. Let's see if he does. Walk with me. Right now he's street driven, so that's why he's walking. But eventually I know that if I do it enough time, he'll do it. Now, the trick which I want him to do is roll over, which is what we are working on. So the way we're gonna do this is sit. Sit pretty. Good boy. Well, we'll take that one. Down. Good boy. Crawl. Come on. Crawl. Good boy. So there's 2 tricks which works in parallel. One is like rollover and one is like play dead. So here's the rollover, okay? Or maybe we'll do the dead rollover. Stay. Good boy. That is awesome. That's the play dead. I have not introduced the word yet, but because I just started teaching him. So basically he goes and he's like until I tell him to move. So that's like a play dead kind of thing. Down. Alright. Okay, roll over. Good boy. Roll over. Yes. Good boy. Yeah. Okay. Come here, Bruno. No.
And then I have like muslin cloth that
Yeah.
I'm going to like cut and try to make my own shirt.
Nice.
So I have all the pieces.
Yeah. हम लोग इसका थोड़ा डिस्कशन करते हैं. ये हमारी एंटरप्रेन्योर मैडम है. Video's goal is again 1000 likes. Let's see if we can make that and 100 comments.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'll just comment 100 times.
Such a supporter. That is very nice. Very nice. Until our next one,
Keep smiling.
keep hustling. Kara hustle. Every single day. Kara hustle every single day. पैंडेमिक की वजह से ना एक और प्रॉब्लम हो चुकी है, नहाने का स्केड्यूल की भी वाट लग चुकी है। क्योंकि पहले क्या था, सुबह मस्त वर्कआउट करो फिर ऑफिस जाना है तो ऑब्वियसली शावर लेना पड़ता है। अब क्या घर ही ऑफिस है, घर पे बैठो, कौन किसको पता चलने वाला है। बट आपको पता है, बताना मत मेरे ऑफिस वाले को।